Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specialized in obesity and diabetes management. So today we're going to be making a protein sparing pizza crust with a little secret ingredient which I've been experimenting with, inspired by Indigo Nili. So I started off with about 400 grams of egg whites, which should be about 10 egg whites. I whip them up with cream of tartar and salt, and when that was ready I put it to the side, and then I set up my powders, which was 3/4 of a cup of egg white powder, nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of just less than a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of xantham gum, some dry active yeast, 2 teaspoons, and then the secret ingredient, which is 1 tablespoon of whole egg powder. So I mix everything up without over whipping it, making sure that all the powders are incorporated in the egg whites, and then I set up 2 pizza pans. I went pretty heavy with the dough, so I made it quite thick. I could probably have gone a little bit lighter. Maybe next time I make a slightly smaller dose, but I do like having a solid base, not like a really thin one. I bake the pizza stones at 350 degrees Celsius for about 15-20 minutes. So as soon as I saw they were nice and golden, and I took them out. And for me this is a very important part. At least my theory is that if you let the bases rest for at least like 15 minutes, it will remain in better shape after we add the moist ingredients like tomato and cheese. But it's just my opinion. I have my experience is that in the past when I put straight away the wet ingredients, it kind of the base really melted and went really soggy. But yeah, this time I let them cool, and then when I added the toppings, then the base remained really kind of solid and doughy. And you can add all the toppings you want. I would go pretty heavy with the toppings because the base is protein sparing, so not the tastiest, more moisturized bread. So really I wished I had more cheese and more everything to add. But overall it was great pizza. As you can see, the result looks really great. I actually really enjoy this pizza cold, because when the protein sparing pizza is left in the fridge, it gets really soft. Yeah, overall I'm really impressed. I think the whole egg powder actually adds moisture to the whole to the dough, so it's an ingredient I'm gonna keep experimenting with it, thanks to Indigo Nili. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, I invite you to subscribe if you did enjoy this video, put a like on it, share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.